Moving to the male reproductive system. First of all, TES, because these are two, and if we have to write singular, then TES. Where do they lie? They lie outside abdominal cavity. Clear? Also known as the male gonads. Then factories for the production of sperms as well as the reproductive organ that hormone testosterone, which is responsible for the formation of secondary sexual characteristics. Number 2, scrotum. Pouch of skin, and it basically hangs between the legs, right? It has the muscular partition that is internal only, not external. So basically the testes lie in scrotal sac. Clear? Why is it so important, and what is the basic feature? It is a thermoregulator, means it provides optimum temperature for the formation of sperms. Then what do it do is it maintains a little normal temperature. That means the sperm develops at a temperature. Sperms develop at a temperature 1 to 3 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature. Therefore, the life of sperm is gently or greatly reduced if the temperature is higher. Clear? That's why this thermoregulator helps in the development of sperm, their proper formation, and their living conditions. During winters, when the temperature falls, scrotum it shrinks basically to get warmth, and when the temperature rises, scrotum generally relaxed to lose the heat. So it is a thermoregulator. Then moving to the third one, vas deferens. Vas deferens or vasa differentia. It's a straight tube almost around 40 centimeter long. What is its function? Carries the male germ cells or the sperms to the seminal vesicle. These are stored here temporarily. Why? Because it has to obtain mucus along with a little watery alkaline fluid which contains sucrose, which got mixed with the sperms here. Alright, so after that comes the fourth part, urethra. About 20 centimeter long tube and arises from urinary bladder. Clear? It arises from urinary bladder and it carries urine. So this urethra, when it arises from here, it runs through the penis and opens outside through the male genital pore. What does it carry? It carries the contents of the two seminal vesicles that is sperms from the vas deferens and joins urethra. It carries urine from the bladder as well as sperm from vasa deferentia or vas deferens through the single opening. Alright, then number 5, the genitalia. External genitalia or the penis. Long thick muscular organ mainly made up of erectile tissue. Clear? Now, it is covered by a loose fold of skin called foreskin. Okay, and in case of males, this is the only opening for the release of urine and sperms to pass out of the body. Okay, now moving to a little flowchart depiction of this entire text.